Welcome to my lesson, and the lesson today is all about present perfect tense. Definition: the present perfect tense talks about things that happened in the past but are still important now. It shows a connection between the past and the present. We use it with have for I, you, we, they, or has for she, he, it, plus the main verbs past participle. Structure: subject plus have for I, we, you, they, or has for he, she, it. Past participle of the verb object. Example: we have finished my work. We finished it, but it matters now. I have finished my work. I have finished my homework. I finished it and it matters now. She has eaten lunch already. She ate and it's still important. They have visited Paris before. They went there. They went Paris and it's still relevant. He has lived in the city for 5 years. He started living here 5 years ago and he still lives here. We have seen the movie many times. We watched it before and it's still a part of our memory. Uses: use the present perfect tense for things that happened in the past but are still important now. Use it for actions that have just finished. Use it with words like already, yet, since, for, etc. Key points of present perfect tense: use have for I, you, we, they, and has for he, she, it at the past participle of the main verb. Use it with time words to show when the action happened. Now practice. Finish this sentence with the right verb from. She finished her work already. They see that movie before. I live in this city for 2 years. He read that book many times. The answer will be: she has finished her work already. They have seen that movie before. I have lived in this city for 2 years. He has read that book many times. Now try to write 3 or 5 sentences about things you have done in the past that are still important now using the present perfect tense. Summary: the present perfect tense connects the past with the present. It's formed with have or has plus past participle. Now practice using it to talk about past actions that still matters now. Thank you very much. Thank you.